Good morning. Hey, Gray. Hey, Slaty. Happy 4th of July, everybody. Maybe they're putting the roof on today? Can't quite tell. It's gotten to be early afternoon and Don and I will be getting busy on the floor for the shed here pretty soon. But in the meantime, I'm gonna do my little daily trip to the environmental park. We did go out for a quick drive last night, but I don't want to go out tonight with the fireworks and stuff. I want to be here for the kiddies. So I'm gonna go now. Go now while I'm clean, before I get dirty, while I can get in Ruby and not worry about it. Don and I did talk that I probably need to just put Ruby right back in the garage when I get home, because we're going to be creating sawdust. Stopping on my way out for just a minute to admire my grass cutting. Nah, just to look at the pretty front yard and all the things growing. Not a lot of flowers down there, but that's okay. I find I don't do good if I plant too much stuff in the front yard, because trying to water it becomes problematic. I'm much better with things that are closer to the door we go in and out all the time. Last night, Don's account got a shiny Chansey, which is green instead of pink, and now he's got a shiny Sneasel, which is pink instead of blue. So it's a good weekend for shinies, apparently. So this morning I was doing a little shopping for Johnny's birthday coming up at the end of the month. You know, while they're away, you got to get that stuff done. I also was watching a lot of Great Ball Contraption videos and planning my next piece. There's a little one I might attempt today or tomorrow. It doesn't take anything special that I don't have. And I was studying Lego engines. I mean, like real engine blocks and tie rods and pistons and, well, plastic pieces. But, you know, it makes a real moving engine. And Don was pretty impressed with those parts. So that was what I was doing. I was Lego dreaming this morning, basically. There are 5 cars here today beside me, and it's 88 out there. Just a bit toasty. Guardian Angel is closed today, as it should be. And I forgot to mention, Thursday came and went, and I didn't meet Michelle at Guardian Angel. Her family traveled to see some other family for the holiday, so maybe this coming week we'll have to see. Just depends on how those virus numbers are looking, because they're sure not looking good right now. Well, we were getting ready to start work, and it's raining. I don't know how long it's gonna last. I don't know if it'll keep us from working. I know there's things we could cut wood under the carport, but I don't know that we're set up. Don was in the process of setting up. Matter of fact, I hear him over there. Yeah, in the process of setting up. Hey, Donnie.
I'm getting wet. Making me work in inclement weather.
I am not making you work. Blame me, though. I don't think this is going to last very long. We'll see. I spread out my dirt how I want it before we get any more heavier rain. It's kind of stopped for now. So Don's repurposing these 4x8s and 4x4s. This one had some hardware on it, so he just removed that. Don's using his saw on the new stand for the first time.
Right, sure am.
See?
Yeah. You're making a lap joint.
Well, didn't that turn out just cool?
Right.
Dang, that man's making a lot of sawdust today. We got all the lap joints for the 4x4s done. And we're trying to figure out how to handle the front part between the asphalt and the metal and the height of the floor and all that good stuff. Well, as you can see, the rain is pretty much past. There's a good bit of clearing. I think we've drug out every woodworking tool we have. I wish we had the shed done so when we get ready to pack it up we could just put it in there pretty easy. It's 70 degrees. We were supposed to be near
95.
breaking a record high of 95 today. That low that formed out in the Atlantic, I guess it happened quicker than they thought or something, because we are 25 degrees cooler than they said we would be.
Yep.
Well, I guess technically we got to 90. So the high today was at 2 o'clock, right, on paper, but yeah.
But they ain't really good.
I guess we got lucky with some 70-degree temps for working on this project today.
Not been bad at all.
Yay, we're joining two pieces of wood together. It's actually gone pretty smooth. Woo! So the 12-foot long 2x4 is for the front.
Yep.
And the 12-foot long
4x4
is for the back.
Yep.
And here's our side pieces.
Yeah. Are you going to be able to get all of this in a little 4x12 building? I don't know, kitten. I think we might have miscalculated.
Well, your gray cart doesn't belong in the building.
Okay. We'll see.
This is looking promising. That's a big area here. That's because stuff's not on top of the plywood.
Right. That's right.
We plan to be back out here tomorrow, so we've done a don't let it get wet in the rain.
Well, it's
clean up, but not a, you know, done with the project level cleanup.
So if y'all want to come by tonight and load up your truck, just don't wake up. Just don't wake me up. Just take it all.
No. I am very stressed. People are starting to make noise with fireworks. And I'm worried about my outdoor kitties. I don't want noise tonight.